guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty, and in today's video we are doing a living area tour, and I'm starting right from my main door. I haven't done so much in my living area, and if you come in, you just find this white mat that I thrifted from Gikomba. From my main door on your right, you find this TV stand that I had it made by a rock of wood. This one I shared the idea that I had with my foodie, although I just wanted something very simple, and here he did it very well, and I love it so much. That one. And all the decorative items that you are seeing here, I thrifted them, apart from the flowers and this vase, this one. These ones I bought from, I think, somewhere in the town, and the rest I just thrifted. This one, and also this one I bought it from somewhere in Kamukonji, in a place that I can't even remember. But I'll have to buy more decorative item for these ones. Yeah, and I have this these are two balls. These ones, let me show you. This one I also bought these ones from Kamukunji, but I think I'll have to add a video. I'll add a video of how they're just a small, they are tiny thing. Then if you add them to the water, they just be as the expander like this. I think I'll show you on that. And I have to buy a lot of decorative items for that area. And on top of this TV stand, you find this TV. It's a 55 inches, if I'm not wrong. And it's a smart TV. Yeah, nothing much there. And on this side, you find this couch. Now, let us start with these curtains that I bought from Isiri, and I love them so much. They are of good quality. And I think I'll have to change them, the color. Mostly I have to change the color of these curtains to another color, but not anytime soon. I'll update you on that, guys. There are two pairs. And I bought, these are two pairs, as you can see, but I combined them together. And now to my couch. I love this couch so much. I bought this couch long time ago, I think 2017 if I'm not wrong, and actually it was flooded brown, but I changed the color to the fabric to gray, and I love it the way it is. I don't think I'm going to change it anytime soon. And to these pillows, the pillow covers, this and this one I bought it from Kamukunji, and this one I thrifted. This one I thrifted from Gikomba, and this is from Kamukunji also. And this throw blanket, which I love so much, that one I also thrifted from Gikomba. And this is new one, I bought it from Kamukunji. Also this one I thrifted. And this is my aquarium, although it's not working at the moment. And if I think I'm going to place it there the time it's start operating. To that area, this is my where I put extra throw blanket and cushion covers. This is my flower that I bought it from town. Yeah, that one, which I love so much. And that is my couch. This one, I think everything I have explained. Now that one, let me show you guys. Now to this area, This is my coffee table that I also bought a long time ago, this one, but I think as I'll have to change it to a small one. Also, this is this decorative tray I DIY'd myself, and I have video for that, guys. If you haven't watched, kindly go and watch this one. This I also thrifted this and also this one I also thrifted, and this one. This flower, I think I bought it from Kamkunji or somewhere in the town, CBD. And yeah, that one. You can see how beautiful it is. Now to this area, these mirrors, I bought them from Isiri. This one, they come in pack of 3 pieces. I have a video for that, guys, if you haven't watched. If you're interested, kindly go and watch that video. Yeah, I love them so much. I have this flower that I'm thinking of removing it to that place, to another area. I also have those mirrors that I DIY'd myself, but I think I'll have to do something to that area also. And to this area, I have this art which I'm removing it to that area and preserve this area as a gallery wall where I'll be putting photos, our photos, yani, that area. Now we come to this. I have this carpet, guys, that I bought from Isiri also. I think it's either 7 by 8 or 7 by 10, if I'm not wrong. I'm not sure. I can't remember actually. And I bought this carpet from Isiri. This one, I also have a video for that, guys, for me shopping carpets at Isiri. Kindly go and watch. And yeah, of taking this away from this place, and I remain with the rest. Yeah. And of course, that one I'll do when I'm ready to buy a dining area, because already I have a dining area where I haven't kept anything, so there is no need of me showing you guys. And that is my living area. As I told you guys, I haven't done so much in it. Yeah, it's like that, and I'm okay with it. Although I'll change as the time goes. Yeah, that one.
I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you.
And guys, if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload any new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Road to 1K subscribers. Thank you so much. I don't take it for granted. I'm so humbled for your support. Thank you so much. Let us meet in the next video, guys.
Deep in the dark, down on my knees, I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. Here we go.